In today's video, you will learn the easy way to fix an external angle to your bathroom panels. If you have an external corner like this, you're going to want to use a 90-degree angle or an external angle trim as a finishing piece. The first step though is to measure from floor to ceiling with your tape measure. Then get your strip of external angle and place this on a steady surface. Simply transfer the measurement onto your trim and then mark this with a pen or a pencil. Carefully cut down the measurement with a multi-tool. Now use our Fix All super strong grip to apply to the back of your trim. When you have added this all the way down the back of your trim, you can simply fit the angle over your external corner. Just make sure you press on it to ensure that it sits flush against your wall. You can then repeat this process with any other external corners that you may have in your bathroom. Thank you for watching today's video on how to fix an external angle trim. If you'd like to watch more DIY videos, simply subscribe to our channel.